Karon ato ang kumustahon akong partner nga si Cecil Kibod Castro nga nag-work from home alang sa iyang BizTalk.
Thanks, Nico! Good morning sa atong mga kapuso dinhi sa Subo, sa Bohol, Negros Oriental, Siquijor, ug sa tibuok Eastern Visayas as well. Ug sa atong mga kapuso abroad, daghang salamat sa pagtutok ninyo sa GMA Regional TV Live. This morning sa BizTalk, atong makauban ang atoang influencer and GMA artist Gabby Garcia ug atong hisgutan kung unsa ang saktong pamaagi aron ma-maximize nato and of course responsible use of social media ilabi na karong panahona nga digital platform ang ato ang solusyon aron mahimong connected gihapon kita mga kapuso. Busa atong sutaon gikan kang Miss Gabby Garcia. Good morning, Gabby! Kumusta ka na? And welcome dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello po, good morning Cebu, good morning everybody. Thank you for your time and also I hope everyone's safe in their own homes. I hope everyone's healthy.
Ayan, Gabby, habang naka-work from home tayong dalawa ngayon, I'm sure our viewers would also like to ask these questions. Ano? So let's start. Eto, Gabby, kasi you have a million of followers on your social media accounts and even on television. You're very visible. You're one of the most influential artists talaga these days. Gabby, how do you maximize these platforms that you have to educate our viewers to follow protocols like staying at home and of course social distancing as well?
I always keep in mind that if you have big following, it also comes with big responsibility. So I make sure to spread facts and positivity and be responsible in whatever I post. For example, I always repost the posts of GMA News to spread awareness also kasi most of my audience are like my age, around 18 to 25 years old. So it's also important to send them the right message. And also, besides posting, I also participate in different live sessions with different organizations, charities, fundraisers, so I could grace their live session and so I could help also our kababayans.
Ayan, you've mentioned about social media responsibility, Gabby. How do we influence our viewers to use these gadgets, these apps, and the available technologies that we have to use it responsibly to help other people? Paano nga ba ito? Especially to those na hindi media savvy, hindi technology savvy.
Yeah, siguro just really, before you post, you have to really think about it. Don't just post and post recklessly. It's so important because it can affect a lot of people. You know, if you have big following, ang daming naka-look up sa'yo, ang daming nagpa-follow sa'yo. So, you're responsible also for whatever content you post. So, my suggestion is just really think before you click. You have to think thoroughly because it can affect a person's life.
Ayan. And thank you also for being a good example of using social media responsibly, Gabby. Eto, let's talk about payitforward.ph. Thanks to you and to your friends for taking this initiative. And how is it doing so far?
So we just finished with our first wave of donations around a week ago. We helped Hospital ng Parañaque and Pasay City General Hospital. We were able to send them some PPE, some face masks, face shields, and nagpakain din kami for 2 weeks. So this wouldn't be all possible without the help of our kababayans, ang ating mga kapuso, for donating. And I just really want to thank everybody, my fellow co-artists who shared our posters to spread awareness also. So yes, it was a huge success for us. So thank you so much to everybody who helped us.
And talking about digital platforms, All Out Sundays is online already, no, to cater to our viewers online who still want to watch our artists perform and so on. Ano pa ba ang ma-expect natin for this Sunday's episode of All Out Sundays?
Yes, of course. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang hatid namin ng saya every Sunday sa ating mga kapuso. It's also nice that GMA is so progressive and so eager to give out happiness and entertainment to our viewers kahit na lockdown. So we make sure that we send out happy vibes, something to ease the pain that we're all experiencing right now during this pandemic. Share ko lang, we also have a comedy side for All Out Sundays. Before, nung nagla-live pa kami, we would, the title of their skit is Top Secret. So right now, they have a YouTube account. It's called YouLol on YouTube. So I hope everybody can subscribe to give us, entertainment and weekly good vibes from our AOS comedy cast. So ayun. So, this Sunday, abangan nyo kung sino ang aming guest. At also, hindi lang saya at kantahan ng mayahatid namin sa inyo, pati games. Maglalaro din kaming mga kapuso. So, abangan niyo po yun.
Ayan, so patuloy ang saya na binibigay natin online this time through digital platform. Thank you so much, Gabby, for joining us this morning for GMA Regional TV Live.
Thank you so much, Cebu. I hope everybody's okay there and we'll pray for our country that this will all be over soon. Thank you.
And that was Gabby Garcia, mga kapuso. Og sama sa iyang gipaambit, hinaot nga ang teknolohiya gamito nato aron makatabang kita sa usag-usa ug dili nato kini angay pahimuslan. Busa mga kapuso, mao kadto ang mga social media rules nga kailangan nato i-follow karon, ilabi na nga naka-quarantine gihapon ta ug kini lang ang atong gigamit aron kita makonekted gihapon ug maka-communicate gihapon kita sa ato ang mga mahal sa kinabuhi. Busa mga kapuso, mao lang sana this morning. Next week, dugang mga GMA artist pa ang atong makauban, dinhi lang si GMA Regional TV Live.